Good day everyone. I am Adrian Navio. I am a leader on Group 3, Lesson 8, and here is my part of the topic, configuring the global media cultures. Global media cultures configuring McDonald's and Starbucks. Global media and restaurant brands. Global media shape brand identity like McDonald's and Starbucks. Dominate the restaurant industry, influencing customer habits worldwide. Starbucks, the most valuable restaurant brand. Starbucks brand valued is 53.4 billion USD, maintaining number 1 position for 7 years consistently. Innovation, loyalty program, and the US renovation plan boosted growth. McDonald's is the second most valuable brand. McDonald's brand is valued 36.9 billion USD, down 7%. Strong global presence with 38,000 plus stores, focusing on menu diversification and sustainability. Brand Finance and Global Rankings. Brand Finance evaluates 5,000 brands yearly and rank the top restaurant brand in the Restaurant 25 report based on value and strength. Challenges in the restaurant industry. Restaurants face COVID-19 lockdowns, inflation, and supply chain issues. Starbucks and McDonald's adapted successfully, maintaining strong brand value. Catering to modern customers. Customers expect sustainability and ethical practices. Starbucks and McDonald's invest in the eco-friendly packaging and green initiatives. Key takeaways. Starbucks lead in value. McDonald's is strong competitor. Success relies on innovation, resilience, and sustainability. Therefore, Starbucks and McDonald's illustrate how global media shape brand influence. Success depends on innovation, resilience, and meeting modern customer expectation. That's all for my part. Here are my members to present our topic. Thank you.